Look, guys, look, this is the new one. This is, I guess, Cahol friends. I don't know if she boys. It's boys or girls, I don't know. I just took care for her every night. She come in my home. Maybe she don't have home. I can't take care for her or for him in future. Maybe day after day I speak with him or with her. Maybe she come in. She's scary when I coming outside. When I go outside, she running. She running. She is still. Oh, she's so cute. She's still, or he's still scary. But anyway, every night I take care for her or for him, and then after when she eat or he eat, and then I open for them because they waiting for him. Yeah, they need go outside, but I don't need rush her. I guess she's girls. I don't know. I don't need to rush her. I need she eats alone, and yeah, she feeling better when she eats. No anybody rush her. Oh, she's so cute. I wait for her. I can take care for her. Maybe in the future she come in with my family, with my cat family. I have a lot in my home. Look at Gilele. Oh, Gilele. She like upstairs. Gilele. My princess. And this is Cathy. He's so cute. He's so cute. Yeah. Kahul, when he going outside and then come back, she come back with him. I guess she friend Kahul friends. Maybe he speak with her for her to come in. Maybe tell her we have food for you. Yeah, I have two, actually three. One coming in the morning, Safur, it's yellow color. When I take care for him, I show that before. And then I have two boys, black. In the night they come in. That's long time they not come in. Yeah, I call her Kahula. Maybe she's girl. I don't know. Yeah. Tati. I know you need outside just a little bit, some minutes, and you can go. I love animal anyway. I love cats.